Alrighty guys, got my first fish for out here today. I'm going to hook them and I'll let you guys know what exactly we're doing here. Alright, there we go. Fish number one, a little bloody. Let him go. There he goes.
Alright.
It's on.
Oh, it's on? Oh, okay. You know?
Fish on.
You in there for you?
Fish number three. Okay. We won't count the second one. Alright guys. Caleb got one at the back of the boat. There's his number one. Not even sure if we're doing a challenge yet.
Cow, it took off the flapper.
I don't think it took off the
No, look at the
Oh
bottom.
yeah, look, your tail. Someone did bite your tail off. He's lost his tail. Well, you gotta replace your plastic now, but those seem to work. Oh, what am I doing? Lowering the camera. Yep, so we're not sure what we're gonna do yet as a challenge. We're still talking about it. But as soon as we figure it out, we'll let you guys know. And right now we're just kind of fun fishing.
Oh, jeez. Pliers?
Pliers?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, you gotta, no, there you go. No, like this, watch. They go like this. Hold it like that and just go pop with, like, I don't know, it's kind of soft. It's a little fish.
Got it.
Got it? Okay.
Well, hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy. Alright, change your plastic.
No, I think he just hit and that guy, he just saw it.
Yeah, but your tail's gone.
I think the tail fell off when I yanked it. Okay. Oh, where are you going?
Okay, that's fine, I guess.
Ow. Can't see.
Do a challenge between like hard baits and soft baits.
That's what I was saying.
Think that's what we should do?
That's what I was saying. You can flukes and... Oh.
Alright guys. Fish number two. Pretty little smallmouth. Fish on. Stay down. Stay down. You passed me. Stay down. Stay down.
Yep. That's a bit good. That's a good sized one too.
Pretty good one right there. Alright, so that's three.
Yep. That's a big one too. Measure on your shirt.
There we go. Alright. Right there, guys. Fish number three brought in. Good sized again. Let him go before it goes crazy. Running at me.
Ooh, nice.
Nice one. That'll definitely register on the scale. Alright, here's number six. In here, less than an hour, we got number six. Doesn't even move. Be free, guys. Alright guys, so we came up with our challenge. And what we're going to do, we're going to do hard baits against soft baits. And see who can be more effective. So we're starting over our count at 0 right now. And I guess let the best man win. Alright guys, I'm starting off with the red eye shad from Strike King.
And I'm starting off with this worm thing on a shaky head.
Let's see.
Sean?
Recording. Alright. Fish number one for the challenge. Put some water on the tape measure. Wow, it's a little warm actually. Okay. Well, that's so close to his eyeball. Okay. All right, so my first fish, calm down, is looking like 8.5 inches. All right, guys, 8.5 inches, my first fish.
That way. Okay.
No, it's on there. Yeah, little baby. All right, fish number 2 sitting down on the hard bait. Oh, I got his gill. Oh, God. Where's the scale? Oh, no, I gotta weigh him. I gotta scale him. All right. We are at 8 inches. Alrighty, guys, I just caught one. Camera was dead, so I pulled out a live well. Alright, here we go, guys. Alright, this one is 10 inches. 10 inches. Ridiculous, never dropped. Fish on. Fish on, man. Get it in the boat. Get it in the boat. Oh, yeah, that's a nice one. You don't need to measure that. Let's see. Tape measures on the end of the scale.
Look at that.
It's a pretty good size one.
You know.
You know. You know too. Shit. Alright, Caleb's got one. Pretty good size one. Oh, fish on. Doubled up.
Nice.
Doubled up. Doubled up. Another nice one. Another nice one.
Where's the tape measure?
Right there on the scale. Can we stop? Ow. How do you know I'm not spining you and you just grab them? Is that
11 inches.
This is that barb gone.
How many were you? Oh.
Alright. God damn it. Where the hell are you trying to go, fish? 11? 11 and a half? 11 and a half, guys. 11 and a half. Let them go.
That would hurt.
Yeah. Taking business. Fish on.
I saw it grab it too. Ready?
Yep, go. No, hope it in everything. Alright, Caleb with his, what is that, your third? Third. Fourth of the day. Gotta work on your bass thumb, man.
It's like Martin Lawrence from
It's right there next to the
The what?
right next to my seat? Yeah, right there. Upside down, next to scissors.
Makes this.
Right there, going right for it. Go like I can grab the key.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Let me Snapchat for.
Sure.
About 10 inches too.
Okay.
Just waiting for it to hit me.
Okay. I know. What happened to lunkers? Swim at me. Swim at me.
That guy's pretty big. Look at that.
They're getting bigger. Come on, should have put it in the video, put my Snapchat. Look at that one. That is a pretty good one.
Yeah, I know it.
Alrighty, guys. See what we got here. Looks like 11 and a half. Alright.
Which is what?
I don't know how to hook them. I need the lip grippers. There you guys, right there, 11 and a half. Oh, you need to back up and weigh 'em. Let them go. Which one? I got another one. Yeah, got another one. Look at him. Look at him. He's gonna make a comeback.
Yeah, you have to.
Is that big enough to measure? Yeah, you need to measure it. Right to the upper lip, man. Perfect.